Hi everyone, welcome back to our Qatar vlog where we take you on a journey through this beautiful country and explore its hidden gems. Today we are in Doha and ready to discover one of the most luxurious shopping destinations, that is Alhazm Mall, guys. This mall is not just a shopping center actually. It's an experience that combines elegance, culture and culinary delights with its stunning architecture and a mix of high-end brands. There's something for everyone here. From luxury boutiques to unique dining options, Alhazm Mall has it all. Plus, we will check out some cultural exhibits and maybe grab a bite at one of the exquisite restaurants. Let's go and explore today. So, guys, as we are entering the Alhazm Mall, check this out right at the entrance. So, guys, as we are entering Alhazm Mall, check this out right at the entrance, guys. There's an incredible display of some of the most luxurious cars from around the world. Just look at these beauties. So, friends, from sleek Lamborghinis to elegant Ferraris, this lineup is a car enthusiast dream. Each one is a masterpiece of design and engineering. I mean, can you believe these cars? It really sets the tone for what you can expect inside the mall, luxury and style at every corner. Am I right? Alright, guys, we just parked the car and now we are heading into the luxurious lift to take us up to the main floor of Alhazm Mall. And I'm here with my paternal parents and we are all excited to explore. Check out this lift, it's so sleek and spacious. Definitely, it adds to the whole luxury experience and it is perfect for getting you in the mood for some high-end shopping today, I'm telling you. Friends, Alhazm Mall is stunning. I tell you, the architecture, the ambience are really something else. Did you explore any specific shops or restaurants that stood out to you? I tell you, this sounds incredible. The blend of French, modern, and contemporary designs really creates a unique atmosphere. Did you have a favorite spot or a cafe that you loved in Qatar? Then do let me know in the comments below. So friends, this pink themed cafe, I tell you, is enhancing my experience and it is incredible to have memorable shots while you are here. Now we are entering to the Galleria. This huge hall with Arabic architecture is breathtaking. It's such a beautiful blend of tradition and luxury. And I tell you, we are getting mad to click photos of the hall with the exquisite architecture which has been exhibiting here, and we all are enjoying a lot. Seriously, we are clicking, we are dancing, we are making videos, reels and everything. So I tell you guys, if you are in Qatar, please do visit once here and just see the luxury ends here in this Alhazm Mall. It's definitely a masterpiece. Whoever has created it is a masterpiece, I tell you. friends, thanks for joining me on this incredible journey through Alhazm Mall and Galleria. I hope you guys enjoyed in exploring the stunning architecture, vibrant cafes, and unique shops as much as I did. This place truly offers a blend of luxury and tradition, making it a one of a kind experience. Whether it was a charming pink cafe or a breathtaking Arabic hall, every moment was unforgettable. And if you love this vlog, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more adventure.